Have you ever seen unlevel or cracked tiles? Well, today we're back here at Jomed Construction's beautiful custom home project right here in Coral Gables, and we have Fabian and the tile installation team right behind us going through the process to make sure that the tile installation is perfect. What do they do? Where do they start? Well, right here you're going to see that they start with a whisper mat, which is a sound control and crack-proof membrane that is first laid down onto the floor. And then from there, they put a thin layer of thin set to go over the membrane, and then they have a thick level of mortar, and then on the back of the tile, and these tiles are 100-pound marble slabs, they put a textured layer of thin set right on top of the slab. And then from there, they carefully lay it down right on top of the mortar. They make sure that it's perfectly level. They use a mallet to hit it down to make sure that on every single corner it's perfectly level with the tile before. So make sure you tune in, check out our next segments on how to prepare and how to make sure that you're going through the construction process properly. So make sure you subscribe now, check out our website, homeshows.net, and you can follow us at FL Home Shows. We'll see you next time.